I know you and I have been talking about this storm all day today, and it's just heartbreaking seeing what's come out of those and how severe they were.
Oh, absolutely. And we got lucky because that same frontal system did hit our region early on Friday morning, brought a couple of severe thunderstorms, mostly to our northern counties, but we avoided any kind of disaster. But of course, prayers go out to everyone involved in that. Right now, we're kind of stuck right in between two different frontal systems. One is actually the secondary cold front that was supposed to be coming through really over the next couple of days, and the first one actually down by the Gulf of Mexico is the one that actually just passed through, bringing all of those tornadoes. It's kind of stalled out right now, but it is going to start to move a little bit. At least until that happens, though, we're left with nice clear skies as we head into the evening. And you know what that means? It means temperatures are going to be dropping like a rock. Right now, Waco is already at the low at 48 degrees, but for downtown Temple, I have us getting down there. It's just going to take a little bit of time. You have calm winds as well. Basically, it's going to be chilly as you wake up in the morning. But as you, of course, probably are already aware of, go ahead and check it out what we can have with this 5 planetary alignment over the next couple of nights. You're only going to have a few nights to do so because I do have some cloud cover, unfortunately, making its way back into our forecast. But if you do want to head out tomorrow, you know what? It's going to be very similar to what we saw today. Relatively clear skies, temperatures still heating up to those low 80s, so definitely sunscreen, bottled water is going to be an absolute must. Over the next 48 hours, these two fronts are going to be battling back and forth, kind of combining right over top of central Texas. So what does that mean for us? Increasing cloud cover and the chance for some isolated showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two, most of which kind of stinking around the Brazos Valley. I don't have too much more activity. Other than that, Monday, I do about a 20% chance of some isolated showers, maybe a thunderstorm. Any kind of severe weather is going to stay out to East Texas and kind of stay clear of Central Texas, so we should be safe for that. Well, until that front really comes through, we're left with some pretty warm conditions. About 80 degrees for our Sunday, 79 going into our Monday. Then we start to see a noticeable drop, but we're talking about 10 degrees, so we might be able to get down to those upper 60s by Tuesday, low 70s likely for much of the region, especially heading into Wednesday. Thursday and Friday are almost a repeat of what we saw this Thursday and Friday with our last front. We do already have a chance for severe weather. Most of that is staying to our western counties, but of course, only time will tell just how accurate that forecast will be. Stay tuned. Sports is next.